Good morning, people. It's Sugar. Today is Woosah Wednesday. It's the middle of the week where we either reflect or recite. Now, if you had 2 great days, just keep that great energy going, right? But if you had 2 bad days, we're going to pause, reset, and get some good energy started. Y'all with me? Great. The word of the day is unplug. Yes, unplug. You have to give yourself permission to unplug and regroup. Because you can't help anybody if you're not taking care of yourself first. We forget that. I know I do. Forget that a lot. See, you have to take those deep breaths, right? And stand back for a second and do away with anything that gives you anxiety or makes you anxious. See, because these deep little breaths you take, right? They're like sending little love notes to your body. I know you don't think of it like that, but it's true. See, and it's all about us disconnecting to connect. I know it makes almost no sense, right? You have to disconnect to connect. But it's true. You have to. Because life happens somewhere in between Wi-Fi signals. Yo, that's why I'm so thankful that I had a childhood with basically zero technology. Technology messes you up. It does. And Anne Lamott once said, almost anything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes. Even you. Even you. So give yourself that time, people. Right? And the thing you really need to do is unplug and live life. Alright, now I still need you to get up. Yeah, you. Get up, get out, and get some.